Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to avoid highways in Google Maps using your phone. Perfect if you prefer local roads, slower drives, or more scenic routes. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet. After connecting your device to this internet, simply open your Google Map application. After opening Google Map application, simply enter your destination in the search bar. As you can see here, option called search here. Simply enter your destination. Suppose I want to go here and hit the direction option. After hitting the direction button, the route is created. As you can see in the top right corner, there are three dots. Click on it and you will see the options button. Simply click on it. After clicking here, simply toggle on avoid highway. As you can see here, I have already turned on. Make sure to turn on this. You can also avoid tolls or ferries if needed. And finally, start to begin navigation with highway excluded. And that's how easy it is to skip the highways in Google Maps. Super handy for scenic drives or avoiding traffic. If this helps, or drop a like and check out for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.